Yeah, hi. Winding after a long time. Uh, there was promised some storm about a week ago. Nothing happened. I just draw approximately this surface conductivity anomaly here to the map. I don't show the picture anymore, at least for some time. And here is the Kursk anomaly. I don't know if the whole thing is the Kursk or just this part here. I have no idea. But let's see, there's a system coming from here, trying to reach Scandinavia. I think it won't, or it gets really much weaker until it reaches like Finland and Sweden. There's this kind of bow shock or something in front of it. But let's see how it develops tomorrow. We probably know more. I don't expect anything big, but we have something going on in the Mediterranean. There is this kind of hurricane like structure going on there. And I would say there's like Italy, Greece, Northern Africa, Egypt, Turkey. Yeah, and it's interesting to see what's happening here when those reach this place. There could probably be something going on there. Somehow windy moves a little bit funny today. It shouldn't move like that. But it does for whatever reason. And here it's also interesting to see like we get those streams which get pulled towards the east. There are these kind of energy streams. Yeah, side note. I already told what I wanted to show you, or showed you what I want to tell you. So everything else is just not freestyle. Basically, it's always freestyle. There's this one idea to talk about something or showing something, and all the rest is freestyle. No script or whatsoever. Yeah, it's interesting to see that something is coming from the north and something from the southwest. And there might be different layers of air. That's an interesting area. Let's go over to Google Earth and check it out if there's something. Where are we going? Funchal. Funchal? Funchal? These are the Canary Islands. So it's northwards. Yeah, maybe I should put some labels on. Map style. It is. I guess this is Funchal. I'm not sure. Let's make it sure. Everything. Madeira. Is that it Funchal Island or not? Are these the Funchal Islands? I have no idea. Vulcano? Uh, yeah, so there's nothing basically visible here. I guess it's somewhere in this region. A lonely volcano and something going on here. Crack. Yeah, because I don't think it could be those. It's too far to the west. Nothing really visible on Google Earth. If we would have some kind of magnetic map or something, probably there would be something. But now there's nothing visible. Sometimes there is. Something is keeping them in place. Even though it's not visible on Google Earth. Yeah, let's put the pressure lines on too. So I would say it's interesting. 962, 967, which is already quite low, and we have a high pressure system here, and a little bit stronger one here. So there is this border between those pressure systems. And they can make this kind of, or they have this kind of influence of triggering seismic activities. That's actually a huge one. That's really big. Seems to be strong. And it seems to suck in stuff from America. Canada. Canada. Yeah, let's have a look at the sea currents. Yeah, let's leave the pressure lines on. Never know. Can we do more? Nah, we can't. Yeah, I am not really sure, but this is supposed to be the Gulf Stream. But it seems there is from the Arctic coming quite much cold water. Yeah, now it gets exciting. This is the Beaufort Gyre, this region here, Earth's biggest freshwater reserve, even though it's like an ocean, but it's mostly freshwater. Now it appears that there's some kind of stream stuff going on from the Beaufort Gyre. It is obviously flowing southwards. It gets a little bit interrupted here. Yeah, I don't know. Might be interesting to follow that. Let's go to the other side where it could break through. Because if there's too much fresh water flowing into our oceans, it will mix up the whole system. And this is one place where it could break through. And here's the other one where it might come through then. And obviously it already does a little bit. So if there's fresh water coming in here, this system doesn't work anymore as it is supposed to work, or as we still experienced it. Yeah, but let's see how things develop. There's something going on in the Mediterranean, I guess. Yeah, wrong map. Radar. Yeah, and usually lightning shouldn't be out on the sea. There's something exciting the lightning. Yeah, and if there's an area where it's yellow or black or this kind of brownish, it indicates lightning. So here are areas of lightning, and this is Etna, which is a volcano. That's interesting. And then we have these huge areas here in the Mediterranean, in the sea, which are also strongly hit by lightning. Even though it's not in the borders of this real radar picture anymore, but still we can see it. Many lightning bolts. Let's go over to Google Earth and check it out if there's something in the sea. I guess there is. These. And I wonder if there's a possibility that one of those would start to erupt, or is about to erupt. That's why we have the lightning there. I don't know. Let's see. I'll leave it here. Bye.